In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to talk to AliExpress Agent 2025 step by step. First, open your browser and go to aliexpress.com. If you're redirected to a regional site, that's fine, the process is the same. Before you do anything else, sign into your account. Logging in ties the conversation to your orders, addresses, and payment history, which helps support resolve things faster. If you don't see the sign in option at the top, scroll up. It's usually in the upper right corner. Once you're signed in, look for the Help Center. You'll find a link either at the very top navigation or down in the footer at the bottom of the page. Click it to open the Support Hub. This page collects common issues like order status, refunds, returns, and account questions. Choose the issue that best matches what you need. Picking the closest category helps the system route you correctly and can shorten your wait. On the issue page, find the option labeled Online Service or Chat Now. The wording can vary slightly, but both take you to the same place, the live chat entry point. Click it, and a chat window will appear. You'll first be greeted by the automated assistant. It can answer simple questions, but our goal is to reach a human. In the message box, type the phrase Live Agent exactly like that and send it. If the bot asks a follow-up or offers quick buttons, select the one that confirms you want a representative, or simply type Live Agent. Again, stay patient. Some flows require picking a subtopic before escalation. After that, wait while the system connects you with a customer service representative. Response times can vary based on your region and peak shopping hours. Keep the chat window open and make sure your internet connection is stable so you don't lose your place in the queue. When the agent joins, briefly describe your issue. Include your order number, relevant dates, and what outcome you're looking for, like a refund or replacement. Clear, concise details help the agent act quickly. If the chat disconnects, return to the Help Center, reopen online service, and reference your previous conversation. And remember, staying logged in ensures your chat history and orders are visible to support. That's it. Go to AliExpress, log in, open the Help Center, select your issue, choose online service or chat now, type Live Agent, and wait for a representative. Follow these steps and you'll get connected to a real person who can help.